One of the hardest parts about grief was that I didn't even understand my own grief. When people gave me advice or told me how I should feel, it just made everything louder in my head. It made me doubt myself and my own feelings. It made me put pressure on myself to get to a healed version of myself that would never exist. And if I could do things differently, I would give myself time to sit with my grief. I'd let myself feel all of the feelings, and I would trust myself and trust that I'm the only one that can be an expert on my grief, and I'm the only one that knows how my grief feels.